If you're looking for the best DIY gnome tutorial, you have come to the right place. In this tutorial, we're sharing with you the detailed steps on how to make cute autumn gnomes. If you're ready to make a gnome with your kids, let's get started. Traditionally, gnomes are seen among winter decorations, but not anymore. Instead, they can add a touch of whimsy to any decor or occasion at any time of the year. The required materials are corrugated paper, cardboard tubes, hot glue, artificial flower, and scissors. These DIY gnomes are inexpensive but look high-end. Plus, they are so easy and fun to make. It's time to make the body of the gnome. First, the DIYer made such small cuts all around the cardboard tube, and now she's sticking them in the suggested way using hot glue. You probably guess what this white crepe paper is going to be used for, right? Follow the demonstrated steps and learn how to make the gnome beard the easiest way. For the next step, the DIYer is simply sticking the crepe paper all around the cardboard tube. More white crepe paper for the gnome nose. Find the center and stick the paper nose on with a little bit of hot glue. The final step is making the gnome hat. After creating the hat shape, the DIYer is next wrapping it with this beautiful yellow crepe paper. Making sure the paper is firmly attached all around the hat and cutting off the excess paper. DIY gnomes allow you to decorate your home on a dime, and no one will ever know the difference between your inexpensive crafts and the expensive decor at boutique stores. Simple yet amazing details. Cute DIY gnomes!